Well, that will do it for Thursday. Now we're going to move on to Friday. For Friday, we are going to focus on lessons 9-5 and 10-1. Okay. Problem solving, make an organized list. Okay. Kyla, so you have to listen. We're going to listen to some instructions. Okay. When we write these answers, that's what we have to do. Listen for clues and see what we can come up with. Okay. Kyla picks a number card. Her number is less than 40. Okay. So that means it's smaller than 40, but it is also greater than 35. Which number does she pick? So it says to make a list to find Kyla's number. Look at the first clue. List the numbers on the card that are less than 40. So this is clue number 1, and then this is clue number 2. Okay, so which numbers are smaller than 40? Okay, I'll attach a chart for you guys so that you can refer back to it for this list, for this assignment. So the numbers that are smaller, and I always like to go in order, okay? That's why the chart will help me. So 29, 32, and 38, okay? Those were for my first clue. Then, of those choices, that means these could be my choices. These might be my answer, okay? But now I have to look at the second clue. The second clue, I have to circle all the numbers on the list that are now greater than 35. So the ones that are bigger than 35. Well, I only have one choice, which means that 38 must be my answer. Okay? 38, because it's bigger than 35. All right, let's do number 1. Ian picks a number card. Clue number 1, it is less than 60. Ian says his number when he counts by 2s. Ooh, clue number 2. Let's see, what number does Ian pick? So first thing, make a list of these numbers less than 60. Then circle the number on the list that Ian says when he counts by 2s. All right, so let's see. Well, this one's not going to be a number choice because it's bigger than 60. But we want to put these in the order. So I first look at my tens place. Which one's the smaller number, 5, 5, or 4? Yes, the 4. So the 47 is my first number, okay? Then I look at my 5 and my 5. Remember, when they're the same, then we look at our ones place. And then we have 5 and 2. Which one is smaller? 5 or 2? So 5 or 2? Yes, the 2. So then I'm going to write 52. And then I'm going to have 55. Okay? That was my first clue, less than 60. Now, what it means when you count by 2s is the number, any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay? I'll show you that on your number chart later, okay? But it's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and so on, okay? So all that means when you count by 2s is that it ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Do you see any of these numbers that end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8? Do you see any of those numbers? Yes. I see right here, this one ends in a 2. So that means that Ian's number must be 52. Okay? Let's turn the page. All right. So here we're going to do making a list. Okay? Write the color of the motorcycle. So for clue number 1, this motorcycle is between numbers 3 and 6. Okay, so what color could it be? So here's 3 and here's 6. What colors could it be? In between are yellow and green. So we have yellow and then we have green. Those are the 2 choices that I have. Okay, 2 choices for this question. This motorcycle is the color of a banana. What color is the motorcycle? So of these 2 choices, yellow and green, what color is the motorcycle? If the motorcycle is the color of the banana. What color is a banana? I'm thinking a banana that's ready to eat. Ready to eat, because I know a banana could be both of these colors, but one that is ready to eat would be yellow. So I'm going to go with yellow. Great job, my friends. All right. This motorcycle is between numbers 1 and 4. So here's my number 1 and here's my number 4. What choices do I have in between? Pink and orange. Great job. So let's write pink and orange. Now, that's clue number 1. Clue number 2 says this motorcycle is the color of a pumpkin. What color is the motorcycle? Now I've got 2 choices. Which one do you think it is? Pink or orange? Yes, orange. Good job. Let's write orange. Alrighty, and let's do number 3. Now, make a list to find the secret number. I am a number greater than 55, so that means a bigger number. And then I am inside a square. Ooh. Okay, so here we go. Let's listen to clue number 1. I am a number greater than 55. So let's see. Ooh, there's a number greater than 55. Ooh, there's a number greater than 55. Ooh, there's a number greater than 55. Okay, and then it says, I am in a square. Which shape is a square? Triangle, circle, square. So that means that my answer for real is right here, number 78, which is letter D. Good job, my friends. Okay, now, last lesson for this week. 10-1, adding groups of 10. So it says you can use what you know about adding 10s to add groups of 10. Adding 1s to add groups of 10. You know that 2 1s and 5 1s are 7 1s, right? 2 plus 5 equals 7. And 2 10s and 5 10s are 7 10s, or 20 plus 50 equals 70. Do you see the pattern? There's a 2 and a 5 and a 7, and there's a 2 and a 5 and a 7. You see that? And the only difference is there are now zeros at the end of the numbers when we talk about the 10s. All right, so for here, let's write the number sentence. We have 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. The same thing should apply here. 10, 20, 30 plus 10, 20 equals a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? In this problem number 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2 equals a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in here we have 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 10, 20 should give us a total of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay? How about in this one? 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 2. All together, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then that should give us 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 plus 10, 20 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Now for this one, we don't have 1s, so we're just going to do our 10s. So 10, 20, 30 plus 10, 20, 30. All together, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Number 5, we have 10, 20, 30, 40 plus 10, 20, 30. All together, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Turn the page. All right, we're gonna write numbers to complete each number sentence. How many 10s do we have here? 10, 1, 2, 3. And then we have 1, 2, and 3. How many altogether do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. And what are the values of each of these boxes now? So instead of counting how many 10s, let's see what the number actually is. So 10, 20, 30 plus 10, 20, 30 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Got it? Okay. So to complete each number sentence, this is what we're doing. Do you notice all of these are ending in 0? So that's what I want you guys to remember. That is a big special hint, is that all these answers will have 0 at the end. Okay? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All you're going to be doing is looking at these numbers that I'm underlining and adding them together. Using your fingers, using your blocks, if you want to draw them out, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay? So for number 2, we have 5 and 2. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write a 7. So that means 50 plus 20 equals 70. How about 30 plus 40? 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a 7 here, so 30 plus 40 equals 70. Think you can do it on your own? I'll do one more with you. 20 plus 30, so that means I'm going to show 2 and 3. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is my answer, 50. So practice the 3 on your own. David has 2 books of stamps. The first book has 50 stamps. The other book has 30 stamps. How many stamps does David have in all? So 50 plus 30. Remember that 0 at the end? We'll go there at the end. And then all we're going to worry about is our 5 and our 3. So 5 plus 3. How many does that give us all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gives me an 8, which means that altogether, David has 80 stamps. Circle here. All done for the week. Any questions, let me know. I'll post some extra resources and help for you guys, okay? Great working. See you next time.